So I sold my house with Ada, and I sold it this year. And I actually met Ada a couple of years ago already, 3 years ago. She was selling a house down the road and knocked on the door to kind of hand me the pamphlet saying, hey, you know, I'm selling a house down the road if you guys want to stop by and look. So I kept her card and she got my email, and she would always every month kind of send me her little newsletter. So when we decided to sell, I thought of her, and she was the best candidate for the job. She's a very hands-on person. She's very straightforward. She knows exactly what she's doing. She guided us step by step, you know, and was also like very patient. And you know, with the market the way, you know, it was going kind of crazy right now, she, you know, really guided us. And by the time we actually put the house on the market, you know, she did her research again and, you know, told us, hey, you guys should probably list for more because the pricing has gone up. So she really got us what, you know, we wanted her to do for us, and I would always recommend her.